Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Grumman Polish YouTube channel. And now we're going to show you about some new parts. Here's the GAES 75-2 washer for your windshields. You know, those little holes you cut in the plexiglass to hold it to the bow. And then we have these, the 902019-4 spacer, and these are used on the tow bar pegs. That's that little slug that goes there, and these are made out of stainless steel, so stay tuned. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So here's what the GAES 75-2 or -1 if you have a two-place airplane. These are the little washers that go through the plexiglass and bind it to the bow. You'll notice that they're domed on the top. There's a countersunk depression for the screw that goes through there, so they're nice and flush. Won't give you any drag as you're running through the air. Saves you that little nano knot. But these are all out of aluminum, all polished, all ready to go. And then next to them we have the 902019 spacers. Now these are tow bar pegs. These are what go on the tow bar pegs. Now the ones that we normally have are steel. You'll notice that people paint them, they get chipped and they rust. But these being made out of 3/16 stainless, they will not rust. You can put them on the airplane just like that and they'll stay just that shiny on your airplane looking good. So we have plenty of them, ladies and gentlemen. We'll throw some prices up here for you. We hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day flying your Grumman. And here are the cats on the back porch just watching the birds.